Hello, this is an unpacking video. Manufacturer number is 2261010. It's made by Umarex. It's your Tactical Force TF11 CO2 black machine gun. I'm going to unpack it with you. It's already open so I can get it out easily. I'm going to pull all the products out first and then I can go over it. Have your operating instruction manual. This is a BB loader. This is your mag for it. And it's a semi-automatic or a full automatic. You would just switch the settings here. Safety is located right under here. Just back or forth. Your mag would just go in like so. So again, it's your TF11, your CO2 black machine gun. It's a Tactical Force and it's made by Umarex.